Okay, so I'm just going to go over the basic of fractions. So we have two fractions, and the shapes are exactly the same. However, they're broken up into different size pieces. But the shapes, the sizes are the exact same, so we can call these equivalent fractions as long as we shade in the exact same amount. So if we look at the fraction over here, a half, 1/2, the 2 on the bottom is the denominator, and that stands for the number of pieces that the shape is broken up into. So over here you can see it's broken up into two pieces. Each piece is equal to 1/2 of the part. Both of them together equals the whole thing. The top number tells you how many pieces are shaded in. So over here, 1 out of the 2 pieces are shaded in. The top number is what we call our numerator, and the bottom number is what we call our denominator. So in looking at these shapes, I had to color in 1 of the half to get a half. Now, out of 4 pieces, if the same shape is broken up into 4 pieces, in order to shade in the same amount, I'm going to have to shade in 2 of those 4 pieces, because each of these pieces are equal to 1/4. So to get a half, I had to shade in 2 if they're cut into 4 pieces. So this would be 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Going down here, if we have a whole number, this is going to be 4 out of 4. That just means the whole thing. So this fraction piece is broken up into 4 pieces. Each of the pieces is 1/4. Okay, so this is saying my denominator is 4. That means there's 4 pieces, and out of 4 pieces, 4 of them are shaded in. If I had a fraction that said there are 2 pieces, okay, and it wants to say, how can we make it the same if I have to shade it in to get the whole entire thing shaded in like I did this one? Now I had to shade in 2 of the halves. All right, going down to the bottom one, our denominator for this piece is 8. So this one is broken up into 8 pieces. Each of the little pieces equals 1/8. Kind of think of it as a pizza. If the pizza was in 8 slices, and this pizza was broken up into 2 slices, it's saying I need to shade in 1 of those slices. So somebody ate 1 of those slices. Now, how many pieces would that be over here if it was cut into 8 pieces? Well, I would still shade in the same amount, but now when I count, I've shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8 pieces, because 4 out of 8 pieces is half of the pizza, just like this one. So 4 out of 8 is also the same as 1/2. We're still working on this a lot in class. I hope this kind of helps out. I know it's hard with the video, but we did go over it in class. I did give Julia a some practice time in class today, and she took home a little sheet to help her. I hope this works for you guys, and I hope you understand it a little bit better. If not, let me know, and I can explain it a different way. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great night.